All right, freebies, let's get tuned. We're on the 6th string E. First thing, we're make sure it says E, which it does. Because it's in the yellow, it's too high. On this side of our headstock, we're going to move it back towards ourselves to get it lower. I'm doing tiny twists, repeatedly striking it. Went too far, it's going to go back away from me until it's right on the green. Good. All right, 5th string, A. It does not say A, it says G sharp. So let's think through our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. However, that G is so far away from the A where we started. That's not the G we're actually at. We're actually at the G below the A. So if we think backwards, if we start with A, but we go behind A, it's actually going to be G below. So G actually happens below A. And so we're going to go a little higher. Now see, it activated the A. Keep going. We overshot just a little bit. Cool. All right, 4th string, D. Okay, we're in the yellow. That means we are too high, which means we're going to take it just a little bit back towards us. Get right on that green. All right, now we're on to the top 3 strings, which means all of our directions are opposite on this side. Remember, it goes in that U shape. 3rd string, G. It does say G, but it's too low. So now to bring it high, we're going to actually come back towards us on this side. Perfect. All right, 2nd string, B. Let's see if it says B. It doesn't. It says C. We're so out of tune, we're on the wrong note. So let's think through the alphabet. We want B, but we have C. A, B, that's what we want. C is what we got. We're too high, actually, and so we need to bring it down. So here's our C. Turning away to lower. And now we're into our B. It's a sharp B, but we're bringing it down. Right there. And then 1st string, E. Just a hair sharp. Gonna bring it down just a bit. Not too bad. Sometimes I like to go through and double check one more time. So let's do that real quick. 6th string, E. Yeah, we want it really solidly on that green. 5th string, A. That's good. 4th string, D. That's good. 3rd string, G. Good. 2nd string, B. Ooh, see, we caught something. We want to get a little higher. Not too high, though. And 1st string, E. Never hurts to tune a second time through. Sometimes the strings adjust as you're tuning the others. So that is how we tune with a clip-on tuner like this Snark tuner. So now let's try tuning with Guitar Tuna. Here's our 6th string, E. It says -7, so we're going to go up. We want that check mark, but not only do we want the check mark, we want it to be right on the line. You'll notice that the check mark will still appear even if you're not right on the line. To be really precise, try to get it on the line. 5th string, A. Taking it down because it's sharp. 4th string, D. We're flat, so we're going to go up. 3rd string, G. A little sharp, coming down. You may notice that the tuner jumps and moves sometimes. When you strum your guitar, the initial sound is what is going to be the most prominent. So whatever the first movement of your tuning is, you want that to be what's in tune. Ideally, it'll also hold tune. 2nd string, B. A little sharp. first string E. Oh, wait a minute. Is that the B string? It's not. This is when we need to take our auto off because our E string is so flat, it's actually registering as B, and Guitar Tuna doesn't know that we need the E string. So we're gonna take auto off, we're gonna click on the E string, and now it's making us tune to E, which is what we want. It's just way low, -35. Not too fast because we don't want to break our string. Gradually, bit at a time. It's great to have auto engaged when you're close to your tuning on all your strings. It'll just automatically pick up which string you're playing. But if you're way off on your tuning and you need it to tune to a particular string and it's not picking up the right note, we just need to turn auto off, and then you can select. So for instance, you can select A and tune to A, or you can select E and tune to E. But if I try to tune another string to that E, it's gonna say I'm way flat. Most of the time you're gonna want auto on. Just turn it off if you're way out of tune and select the string you want to tune. And that's it. Happy tuning, freebies!